Hi, this is Washobi, and today I got a new unboxing for you. I just got this package from America. As you can see, it comes with a very simple piece of bag, and you can see that's the Amazon smiley face, or should I say lip, on the paper. So anyway, I'm cutting it right now. You will see that this is a watch that a brand of watch that I have not had in the collection before. So let's see. The box is still intact, rectangular. So as you can see, it's from Amazon, and that's the reference number for that particular watch. Now, what I got is a Bulova. This is a Bulova dive watch, and this is the Oceanographer Snorkel Devil Diver, reference number 98B320. So I will do a review, but this is the watch itself. As you can see, it's a dive watch. I've not resized it as yet, but once I've done resizing, I will do a short review on how it actually works out. Now the box is very simple. As you can see, there's nothing major. It's just I think this is the warranty and guarantee card itself, and that's it. Nothing else apart from the watch, its pillow, and the guarantee card. So anyway, watch out for this channel for the full review to come out. Bye.